Let us discuss some more problem on this chapter, that is write the following function in the simplest form. First one is tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. You have to write this is in the simplest form. For this put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x, correct? Put x equal to tan theta in this equation, that implies tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, tan inverse of square root of secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Square and square root get cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Secant theta can be written as tan inverse of secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. This is equal to cos theta common denominator, tan inverse of cos theta common denominator 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. The remaining thing is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. I already told that 1 minus cos theta can be written as tan inverse as it is. This is 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin 2 theta formula you know that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Instead of 2 theta, here theta is there, therefore this form is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Understood? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Instead of 2 theta, here theta is there, that means in the right hand side it becomes theta by 2. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here sin square theta, here 1 sin theta by 2 is there. Square and 1 sin theta get cancelled. What is left? That is equal to tan inverse of 2 get cancelled. Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. That is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta by 2. Understood? Tan inverse of tan theta by 2, we know one property, that is tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Therefore tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. That is equal to half into what is our theta? Tan inverse of x. Half into tan inverse of x. This is the answer. Understood? I will explain once again. Tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Here put x equal to tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. Tan inverse common in all the steps. That is 1 plus tan square minus 1 divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Square and square root get cancelled. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta and tan theta can be written as sin by cos theta. Here again cos theta is the common denominator, that is 1 minus cos theta, cross multiplication here. Cos theta get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta left. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This is by the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. This is by using the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Instead of the 2 theta, I am taking theta for left right hand side, it becomes theta by 2. Sin 2 theta formula you know that 2 sin theta by into cos theta. Therefore sin theta equal to 2 times of sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here sin 1 sin get cancelled and 2 get cancelled. Left is remaining is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Sin theta by cos theta is tan. Therefore tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. What is our theta? Half as it is. Theta is tan square of x. The next problem is tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. We know the formula cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Instead of here x is there, no, therefore take theta as theta by 2, 2 get cancelled, left is theta. Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. And also another one formula you know, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. And sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, what you used in the last problem. Here replace theta by theta by 2, that is the sine of theta by 2, 2 get cancelled, theta is equal to 2 times of sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Understood? This one formula, this one formula, and this one formula, these three formula use here. It becomes a tan inverse of cos theta, cos x can be written as a cos square of theta by 2 minus sin square of theta by 2, that is a cos square of x by 2 minus sin square of x by 2, divided by 1 can be written as a cos square of x by 2 plus sin square of x by 2 minus sin x can be written as 2 times of sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse of, this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula you know, that is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore it can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole divided by, see here, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 times of sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the formula of that? That is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a equal to cos of x by 2. Cos of x by 2 minus b is here sin of x by 2. Understood? Whole square. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square is equals to cos square x by 2 into sin x square by 2 minus 2 times of sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Here this is a cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Here also 2 times of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. 1 cos x by 2 and 1 get cancelled. What is left? Tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. We don't know any formula based on this, therefore we have to divide a whole by cos x by 2. If you divide cos x by 2, this becomes 1, this is sin by cos is tan, and this is cos by cos is again 1, this is a sin by cos is again tan. So divide only the term inside the bracket divided by cos x by 2. Okay, divide the term inside the bracket by cos x by 2. What is the remaining? Tan inverse of cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 is 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus sin by cos is tan x by 2. This is equal to, we know one more property, that is tan of 45, that is pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Okay, tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a minus tan b. Correct? Pi by tan of pi by 4 value we know, that is 1. Okay, therefore tan of pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. This is in the form of that one only, 1 plus tan a. Instead of a, here x by 2 is there, therefore this one becomes a tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus Instead of a, here x by 2 is there, x by 2. Understood? Tan of pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Instead of a, here x by 2 is there. Again same tan inverse of tan of something is equal to that something only. X. Understood? I will explain once again. Tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. You have to simplify this one. You have to convert it into the simplest form. Cos of 2 cos x, it can be written as cos theta is equals to cos square theta by 2 divided by sin square theta by 2. Apply here, and 1 can be written as cos square plus sin square, and sin x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. One thing is, this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. One thing is cancel here, and left is cos of x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. We don't know any formula for this one, therefore divide whole thing inside the bracket by cos x by 2. Remaining is 1 plus tan x by 2. Is because sin by cos is tan. Therefore again by using the formula of tan of 45 plus a is equals to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a, use here. Tan inverse of tan of something, that is that something only, that is pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is one property. The next problem is tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3x square. You have to simplify to the simplest form. See here a square term is there into x is there. If you multiply if you take some, add the degrees, you will get 3. Here degree is 3, here also degree is 3, here also degree is 3. Therefore while substituting, keep remaining, that is x is equal to a into tan inverse is there, therefore tan theta. Okay, x is equal to a into tan theta. If I wrote a here, this will becomes a cube. Okay, therefore theta is equal to x by a into tan inverse here, tan inverse of x by a. This to keep in mind. Put x equal to a tan theta, therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Substitute here, you will get tan inverse of 3 times of a square into a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube divided by a cube minus 3a into a tan theta whole square. Understood? That is equal to tan inverse of 3 as it is, a into a square into a is a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3 into, this is a square into a cube tan square theta. What is common here? Here a cube common. Therefore tan inverse of, keep a cube outside, 3 into tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by a cube into 1 minus 3 tan square theta left inside. A cube get cancel. You know this is the formula of tan 3 theta, correct? This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is equals to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 3 theta. This is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. 3 times of what is our theta? Tan inverse of x by a. Understood? I will explain once again. Put x is equals to a tan theta, then theta becomes a comes to this side, x by a, tan inverse of x by a. After the steps you will get, this is a cube common here, remaining is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse of tan 3 theta is 3 theta, but here theta is tan inverse of x by a. This is the answer. The next problem is tan inverse of 1 by x square minus 1. Here x square is in the denominator. You have to convert this whole into tan. X square is in the denominator. You have to try to convert this to the tan. Therefore, put x equal to cosecant theta. That implies theta is equals to cosecant inverse of x. Tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 divided by, we know that cosecant square of theta minus 1 is equal to cot theta. That is a cot theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. Therefore, cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. That is square root of cot square theta. Square and square root get cancelled. The remaining is 1 by cot theta. What is 1 by cot theta? 1 by cot theta is tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. What is the theta here? Cosecant inverse of x. Understood? Since x is in the denominator, put x is equal to cosecant theta. That is cosecant square theta minus 1 is a cot theta. Cot square theta. Square root get cancelled. 1 by cot theta is tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. What is theta here? Cosecant inverse of x. The next problem is cot inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Here cot is there. Therefore, you have to convert this into cot only. Therefore, put x equal to secant x, secant theta. That is theta implies theta is equal to secant inverse of x. Therefore, this implies cot inverse of 1 divided by square root of secant square theta minus 1. This is equal to cot inverse of 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1 is equal to square root of tan square theta. Secant square minus 1 is equal to tan square. That means 1 plus tan square equal to secant square. Square and square root get cancelled. This is equal to cot inverse of 1 divided by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is cot inverse of cot theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is theta. What is theta here? Secant inverse of x. Understood? These two are a similar problem. Either they ask prove tan inverse of 1 by x square, square root of x square minus 1 is equal to cosecant inverse of x, or simplify this one. For this problem also they can ask prove that cot inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 to secant inverse of x. Okay. The next problem is tan inverse of x divided by square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square is there. In the numerator also x is there. Here a square minus x square is there. Therefore put x is equal to a into sin x. Okay, put a equal to a into sin x. That implies x by a equal to sin x. Sin theta. Sin theta, that implies theta equal to sin inverse of x by a. Here that is tan inverse of x is a sin theta divided by square root of a square minus x square is there. Therefore, a square sin square theta. This implies tan inverse of a sin theta divided by, what is common here? A square is common. This is inside the square root. A square come to outside, that is a into square root of 1 minus sin square theta. This is implies tan inverse of a get cancelled sin theta divided by, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Here inside the bracket cos square theta will left. Square and square root get cancelled. Left is cos theta. Understood? The remaining is cos theta, because 1 minus sin square theta is a cos square theta. Square and square root get cancelled. The remaining is a cos theta. That is equal to tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. This is equal to theta. But what is theta here? Sin inverse of x by a. Understood? X, to prove tan inverse of x by x divided by square root of a minus x square equal to sin inverse of x by a. Put x equal to a sin theta. Put x equal to a sin theta. Substitute here. You will get a square is common in the denominator. Take it outside. What is left? 1 minus sin square theta left. Square root of a square value is a get cancelled. 1 minus sin square is equals to cos square theta. Again square and square root get cancelled. Cos theta left. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Here theta is sin inverse of x by a. For next problem, tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x. First, divide the whole term inside the bracket divided by b cos x. Okay, divide whole divided by b cos x. What is left? Tan inverse of a cos x divided by b cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x whole divided by b cos x divided by b cos x my plus a sin x divided by b cos x. Okay, this implies tan inverse of cos x get cancel, a by b minus b get cancel, sin by cos is tan whole divided by this whole term cancel 1 plus a by b sin by cos is tan x. See here, tan inverse of a by b minus tan x 1 plus this into this form. This is in the form of tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b formula. Tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b formula is tan inverse of a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. Correct? Check it in the property, that is a formula is there. If x into y is less than 1, then tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Therefore this is in the form of tan inverse of x is a by b here minus tan inverse of y is tan inverse x, tan of x. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse of a by b as it is. Tan inverse of tan of x is equal to x. Tan inverse of tan of x is x. The next problem is tan half into sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. First you have to solve this and next you have to solve this, then whole. Okay, first let us consider sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. For this one, put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. Theta is equals to tan inverse of x. Put x equal to tan theta. What you get? Sin inverse of 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This formula you know, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. That implies sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Correct? Sin inverse of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. This is one part. Next consider cos inverse of 1 minus y square. There is cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. For this, put y equal to tan phi. Phi is one angle, that implies phi is equal to tan inverse of y. Here you have to substitute theta is equal to tan inverse x. This is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan phi square divided by 1 plus tan square phi. This formula is known. This is the formula of cos 2 phi. Cos inverse of cos 2 phi is equal to 2 phi. Now substitute here. That is tan of 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 theta. 2 into theta value is tan inverse of x plus cos inverse of 1 minus phi square divided by 1 plus phi square is 2 phi square, that is 2 into phi value is tan inverse of y. So 2 to tan inverse will come now. For this you have to write 2 theta 2 phi only. After that you will substitute. What is common here? 2 is common. Tan of 2 is common means 2 to get cancelled. Theta plus phi. Tan of a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a tan b. Correct. Tan a plus tan b formula is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here theta is equal to tan inverse x. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to x only, plus here phi is equal to tan inverse of y, that is tan of tan inverse of y is equal to y, that is 1 minus x into y. Understood? Another method is there. You know the formula of this one. Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, that is 2 times of tan inverse of x. That is the 2 times of tan inverse of x in terms of sin is sin inverse of 2x divided by x plus 1 plus x square. I will write here our formula. This is it can be written as 2 times of tan inverse of x plus this is the formula of again 2 times of tan inverse of y. What is common? 2 is common here. What is left? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y left. You know the formula of tan inverse of x into tan inverse of y, that is x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Correct? 2 to get cancel. Tan inverse of tan of this one means this only left. Understood? That is one easy method if you know the formula. That is the sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 times of tan inverse of x. Cos inverse of 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square is 2 times of tan inverse of y. 2 is common. Here 1 by 2 into tan inverse is there. That is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. 2 to get cancelled. Then tan inverse of tan of this term is equal to this term only. The next one is simplify. This is very easy. We can't do anything in this term. Therefore, divide these terms by cos x. What is left? Tan inverse of cos by cos is 1 minus sin by cos is tan x divided by cos is 1 plus tan x. Already I told that tan of pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. That formula you know. This is equal to tan of pi by 4, that is equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4. Instead of a, here x is there, pi by 4 plus x. Tan inverse of tan of this is equal to sorry, this is minus because numerator is minus. No, this is minus pi by 4 minus x. Tan of pi by 4 plus a is there. If the numerator is plus, if it is minus, the numerator is minus. tan of pi by 4 minus a is equals to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. Therefore pi by 4 minus instead of a x is there.